Alright, today I want to show you my Robert Sorby 1/16 inch parting tool. That's just 2mm, but it's high-speed steel, and it's kind of interesting the way it works. This is grooved. It's kind of, I don't know if you can see that, but it's cupped, and so it will cut a little cleaner on the edges because it's got a little bit of a flute in it. And so then to sharpen it, you just sharpen this side. You just touch that with the grinder, or because I only have from here to here until I have to grind my own flute in it or something, I'll often just sharpen it on a stone. And as a parting tool, it works really well. You just, you know, make sure and use it with the flute up. But other than that, Robert Sorby, high speed, it's a good little parting tool to have. 12-inch handle on it, about 6 1/4 inch steel on it. So very typical size tool, does the job